Do you want to know how you can log into your Smartly Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Smartly Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC, go to the search bar and search for Smartly Payroll Login. Then click on the second link which says Smartly Login and it will take you to the official login portal of Smartly Payroll. Go ahead and write down your username or email address in the first box, write down your password in the second one, make sure to check your password once you have done, and you can click next. This way you can successfully log into your Smartly Payroll account. If in case you have any confusion about your password or forgot your password, click on this link, write down your username and click send access to code or send access to mobile. A mail will be sent to you if you access it over here and an OTP code will send to you in your mobile if you click on this, and you can reset your password quite easily. So guys, this is how you log into your Smartly Payroll account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.